So viral nga karon si Catherine Bernardo mga ka-viral dahil kinumpirma na niya ang hiwalayan nila ng ka-love team niyang si Daniel Padilla. Ito panoorin ng mga ka-viral. So ito nga ang sinabi, pinost niya sa kanyang IG. I promise to never lose myself in this industry. So I've always been as authentic to us and to you as I can be. I know what you mean, you are thinking right now, and I'm well aware that rumors and speculation around, and as hard it is to put everything into words, I want you to hear straight from me. It's true that TJ and I have decided to part away. So, yun. Si Catherine Bernardo na nga ang kumpirmang hiwalay na sila ni Daniel Padilla. So, viral na to nung nakaraan. So, totoo nga.